uphinde wabuya futhi. Yazi Queen, kwensuku during ubhebi. Ngithi inkunze, ugqa kuthini? Ngithi inkunze ndenza iprocess kabini. Zewu nje kuqhabala kaMajoni akhawuleza bheke emfazweni. Yo, hayi chef. Khohlakele Queen, ngicela ungincede. Hello Ongi, uTasmol ke sana i2 minutes noodles. Uthi nje nqunje Amajoni akaze asemzansi akhawuleza alwe neIraq. Kuku ke sana ungaze uzilinge Tommy, uzamthini umqhagi? Kubi nguwe ke Shemza kwenzela nge2.5. 2.5, take it or leave it. Ayi, awuhlale khohlakele ngeke. Kiri? Kameli kamwenzweni.
Hayi khawumen semeeting wena man. Angithi uAdam utye inyama ambise efrijini, fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Ayi nayo Adam akaphuma ekuthetheni. Ikwangwini lo wasifundisa amanyala.
Uva xa kuthiwa natasmall.
Ngoku uzoba free nini?
Try me after 3 hours ndisagoba ngoku.
Okay, I love you.
Awutsheli lokho.
Egameli ayiselo mngcwele.
Thetha ufuna uthini?
Oh, ndicela uthela noAdam.
Thetha naye.
Oh, Adam uyabona lento nasifaka kuyingwini nonto Eve. Anityelani nyoka?
Hayi usigqwetha zange sitye nyoka.
Noba natyiwa inyoka nanivumela ntoni utyiwa inyoka ni-apile.
Une-issues ngoku xa kwezindaba zakho ungena ezinye.
Ngiyayenza i-dog style.
Uyabona ke izithuko.
Ngoti shake. Yo, that's smart. Yeah, ntoni. How does it feel being gay, bro? And I was ukuba ndi-gay namsona. I mean, like I know you know it, but how do you see it? What's your opinion, my guy? If you went soon, was back. Caspini funny. I think it's like pretending like you don't have a dick. Who's a Portugal? Portland in back in and Buzukun. And Portland Pamba and something in the Ngoti shake. Yo, Caspini no joke. Bong lang amin this again. So any bit nana. Tastes like vanilla mayonnaise strawberry shake. Good. Mamilana lutana zam kono ndo zavel. Magathe koshongwa. Okay, unathetha tates. What happens to the people you leave behind? Which people? Clientele got you covered within 24 hours if you apply now. The fuck? You're also giving free mkomboti shake I futhe wena small. Clientele pays you within 24 hours. Now, Kaboni said we got him covered within 24 hours your pants. That's Molly. Uyabona ngibhonga ngapha. Ukona mna ngithatha phanga sesikoleni kunemfundo ezikulu. Kiri yamrada sefe fa ku friend zone. Alizingeni ngimnikeze friend zone. Hayibo mkhuluwa into oliphosha izo. Bengicela uba ngifemale best wehwala. Hayibo ngufemale best njani nanga wena phosha. Hayibo I'm a beautiful sexy bed nje mna.
Hayi futhi.
Wewe ayisuka yilana ba Desmond. Who you calling clientele posh dang? Nini suka?
Funeral. Part of the human journey.